Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a quick video here of a set I did last night. My husband called me and said, oh, do you want to go out on a date tonight? And I was like, well, yeah, of course. But I was thinking, I don't have any nails on. I haven't really had nails on all week. So I was like, let me see what I can put together here. I kind of had to do these in sections because I had to go pick up my daughter from practice and help my son with his homework and stuff. So the ring fingers, I did the Lazy Girl method with polygel, and then the other fingers I just did the Apres dupe, just put full cover tips on. So I'm using the two top glitters, the green and like the pink one with the flowers. Those are from the Daily Charm Spring Mystery Box. So I'm just placing the Burano 3-in-1. I love that stuff. It's incredible. Base coat, you can use it to glue on tips, just different things, and it's amazing. So I basically just do it in sections because the flowers I kind of had to hold in place because they didn't really lay flat. So I just kind of placed the flowers and butterflies down the middle, and then putting green little hexagons, just outlining the tip around like the whole edge. And then I go in and just cure when I place, the flowers down, go ahead and cure it, just basically in sections so everything lays flat. And then I'll go ahead with the Burano again after I cured everything and just put a layer over the glitters. That way the polygel doesn't seep underneath any of the glitters, it just seals everything in. This just shows that I put on my peel off base coat. And then I'm using the patty gel. I love this pink, it's just beautiful. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and her polygels are just so easy to work with and so quick too. You don't really have to struggle. So I just added a little bit more in that spot because it was a little bit thin. And then I did change brushes to the Macart polygel brush. I don't know, the polygel brush from the patty gel, it separates a lot and it's really soft. And I like a little bit firmer brush just to get in there and really push the polygel down. So yeah, that's the only thing. The polygel though is just, oh, it's amazing. So I did forget to put my base coat on, so I'm just putting on the Enailcouture base coat real quick, and then I just cured it for 30 seconds. And then I go ahead and place the nail on my finger, and I just go in and clean up any excess polygel that kind of squeezed out of, around the cuticle. So I go ahead and flash cure it just for a few seconds, and then while it's still a little bit soft, I just go underneath just to make sure it's all smoothed out under the nail. And then I go ahead and just cure it for the full 60 seconds. And then I'm applying the rest of the nails with the 6-in-1 Born Pretty nail glue. I like that to put the nails on with. I barely got any bubbles or anything. It seems like when I do this method, sometimes I'll get bubbles, but this is just amazing. I absolutely love that kit. So yeah, I'm just flash curing them on, and then I'll cure the whole hand for 60 seconds, and then I'm just gonna go in and just roughen up the nails with a sanding band and go around the cuticles and make sure there's no spillage and just make everything nice and smooth. So after I filed and buffed everything, I'm going in with a layer of the Enailcouture base coat, and then I just cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with the Bonbon Gel, the number 003. It has like a green shimmer to it, and oh my gosh, it's just absolutely beautiful. So that's what I put on all the rest of the nails. And then I cured that for 60 seconds. I'm going to go in with the Shiny Star top coat in Cosmos. I'm going to just place that on the ring finger. I liked it because it just had a little bit of shimmer. So I just wanted to add a little bit of shimmer on the ring finger. So I go ahead and just apply that to the ring finger, and then I'll go in with just the regular clear top coat from Enailcouture on the rest of the nails, and then I'll cure the whole hand for 60 seconds. So this is what the nails look like with the top coats. So I did go ahead and put all the decorations and rhinestones off camera. Actually forgot to record, but I love the way this pointer finger came out. These are the flowers from Shein that came with the little silver balls. So pretty. And then the other fingers I just placed different rhinestones. There's a diamond and there's a butterfly towards the tip. I just love this green greenish shade from Enailcouture. It's just so pretty and so springy. I love pink and green together. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little set here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.